Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use air gestures on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all, open the settings. From here go to accessibility and convenience. Now go to gestures and motions, and here you can find air gestures. Now you have to turn on air call control and go to learn gestures, and now you can learn how you can answer the calls. So do it like that. Hold the back of your hand up to the screen with fingers pointed down. So do it like that. And now flick your hand up to answer the call like that. As you can see, it works. Now you can hold the palm of your hand up to the screen with fingers pointed up. So do it like that. And hold for 1.5 seconds. As you can see, the call is muted like that. So this is how you can use the air gestures. Thanks for watching and subscribe.